In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to start a new design project in Figma using Google Chrome. Whether you're a beginner looking to get started with digital design or a seasoned professional needing a refresher, this guide will be perfect for you. First things first, we'll need to log into Figma using Google Chrome. Now, if you're new to Figma, you'll want to head over to their website and create an account. For those of you who are returning, go ahead and open Chrome, navigate to Figma's login page, and enter your credentials. It's a seamless process, and you should find yourself on the Figma dashboard in no time. The dashboard serves as your creative hub where you can access all your projects, both ongoing and completed. Once you're in, take a moment to acquaint yourself with the layout. You'll notice various sections showcasing recent projects and teams you're a part of. When you're ready to begin, direct your attention to the option on the dashboard that says either New File or Create New Project. Clicking this button will initiate the process of starting a fresh project. It's like opening a blank page in a sketchbook, ready for your creative ideas. Upon creating a new project, you'll be prompted to give it a name. Choosing a meaningful and descriptive name is crucial as it helps keep your projects organized, especially if you plan to have several running at the same time. Not only does it aid in organization, but it also makes it easier to share and collaborate with others down the line. Speaking of collaboration, Figma is renowned for its collaborative capabilities. Therefore, after naming your project, you'll have the option to set permissions. This step is particularly important if you plan to work with others. You can adjust who can view or edit your project, accommodating any team setup you might need. Ensuring the correct permissions from the outset can streamline your workflow, reducing the need to backtrack later. Now that your project is named and the permissions are all set, you're ready to dive into the exciting part, designing. You've got a fresh canvas waiting for you. This is where you can unleash your creativity. Utilize Figma's array of tools, from vector networks to prototyping, to bring your vision to life. And there you have it. You've successfully initiated a new project in Figma using Chrome. Remember, with design, there are no wrong answers, only limitless possibilities. So go ahead and explore the tools at your disposal. Experiment with different layouts and elements, and most importantly, have fun with the design process. If you ever feel stuck, Figma has a robust community and countless resources online to help you. Happy designing, and we'll see you in the next video.